Welcome back to the channel and thank you for watching. I feel compelled to make this video for a few more comments on this same subject with a few recordings because I've been going through the exhibits in the Virginia trial, most of them in fact. They include PDFs, photographs, audio recordings, video recordings, and so on. And many of them are fairly well known because they've been played again and again, and one or two of them not so well known. But actually, when you listen to the well-known ones among some of the others, it actually puts it into quite a context. And as the title of this video suggests, this is seemingly common and seemingly normal, albeit it really shouldn't be normal. So with that in mind, I'm going to play just a couple of audio clips so you can hear them side by side, which gives you essentially a flavour of what was going on and essentially gives you a flavour of the truth. And as I've said in previous videos, audio recordings do give you a very real sense of what was happening, because there's lots of discussion around this notion of false allegations, and even some professionals commenting regarding cases about which they know nothing, involving people they've never met, stating that such false allegations are nonsense. But of course that isn't true. False allegations are made, they do happen, and the courts do find allegations not proven. But of course most people never hear about those because family cases are private. They are held and heard in private. So if there are false allegations made, they are made behind closed doors, no one gets to hear about them, and if the allegations are not proven, everyone is expected to just quietly go on about their business like nothing happened. However, the consequences of false allegations can span many, many years and ruin lives, often even preventing people from seeing their children for years on end. So as I said, I wanted to play 2 or 3 clips side by side from this Amber Heard trial in Virginia, so you can hear those side by side, giving a broader context aside of these comments.
I can't promise you that I'll be perfect. I can't promise you I won't get physical again. God, I fucking sometimes get so mad I lose it. I was gonna pour you one.
I'm an alcoholic. You should.
I don't have any control over how much you drink. But you don't have any control over whether I tell you the truth or not.
I lied.
And that you punched me in the fucking thing, and you
figured
in
it
the face,
out.
and you said, "No, fucking, no, I didn't. What the fuck are you talking about?" And I
didn't
watched
punch
you lie, and then
I didn't punch you.
and
By
then
the way, I'm sorry that I didn't
You
hit
punched
you
me.
across the face in a proper slap, but I was hitting you. It was not punching you, babe. You're not punched.
Don't tell me what it feels like to be punched.
You know, even a lot of fights been around a long time. I know. Yeah.
No, when you fucking have a closed
You
fist.
didn't get punched. You got hit. I'm sorry I hit you like this, but I did not punch you. I did not fucking deck you. I fucking was hitting you.
You can't
I don't know
deck
what
me.
the motion of my actual hand was, but you're fine. I did not hurt you. I did not punch you. I was hitting you.
So talking about the first one, can't promise that I won't get physical again, she says. So a clear admission to having been physical with Johnny Depp. But the second one I thought rather strange. But you don't have any control over whether I tell you the truth or not. Now, whilst that's not an outright admission that she is lying to him or lying in general, but it would certainly have indicated to the jury that she knows that she can lie and get away with it. And as to the third one, that was quite frankly an admission of violence. So taken together, and there are hours of these recordings which I've been going through, and these are just a few clips brought together to which the jury were of course invited to pay close attention. So what I really wanted to say in this video is that this is actually quite normal, that is, false allegations. It really shouldn't be. It really shouldn't be the norm that false allegations are made and parties are dragged through courts, whether it be civil courts, family courts, or criminal courts. And as I said, some people, including professionals, appear to be saying that this simply doesn't happen, i.e. false allegations do not happen. But take it from me, I've been in cases where false allegations are made, very serious allegations are made, and they are false, but not before they've caused serious havoc on the lives of people against whom these allegations are made. But remembering all the while that allegations are made properly and they are well founded. So this is not to discredit or discount any allegations allegations that are serious, because they should absolutely be taken seriously. Any allegation that is made should be taken seriously. Some people have commented that Amber Heard's allegations were not taken seriously, but of course they were, because they were heard in 2 trials, one of which Amber provided witness evidence, that was the UK trial, and of course the Virginia trial, in which they both gave evidence and the allegations were taken seriously. It just happens that the jury did not believe those allegations and therefore concluded that the statements were defamatory. So the bottom line to this video is that if you are suffering, you absolutely need to reach out and tell someone about what's going on and document and keep the evidence. But at the same time, please don't exaggerate or make up allegations, because that does destroy lives over a number of years, and it's simply not worth it. And on the other side of that coin, if you are on the receiving end of these allegations and they are unfounded, again, I would urge you to fight them. And that, I suggest, is why so many people are taking such an interest in this case, because in one way or another, this issue did come to the forefront of everybody's worldwide attention, which is ultimately what Amber wanted in the first place. So I hope you'll leave some comments in the box below. Please do take on board what I've said if you are affected by any of this, and please also do like the video, subscribe, and thank you for watching.